Hi guys, welcome back to Sacer channel. I'm Wee.
Hello everyone, I am Joker.
Well, today we are going to share with you our new products under development. They are the UTA actuators for VNT turbo. In last video, we have introduced you guys how to identify the UTA actuator and SUTA actuators. For example, from this actuator, you can see that 6NW010430, that it means the SUTA actuator. And if the actuator shows the number 6NW010099, then it means it is the UTA actuators. So if you don't know which actuator you need, you can contact us and send the complete part number. Then we will confirm the type for you.
Okay, following, let us show you the test effect on the G3 machine.
Okay, let's get started.
As you can see, it can pin smoothly and let swap around on the actuator.
Wow, it looks perfect.
Okay, let's stop it.
Okay.
And after seeing our testing effects, now let us show you some types actuators for UTA series.
Okay, please check the attached screen for the different model we have. You can see from the list, we have 5 different actuators for different applications. And except those actuators, if you need other new actuators, you can contact us for further details.
Sounds great. And we also provide repair kits for original UTA actuators to cover our customer more needs.
The first one is the universal ribbon kit for the mid connector UTA actuators. You can see that the picture. It includes 5 types of repair kits. And the next one is the gearbox assembly for the UTA actuators. Now I will show you guys the details of the gearbox. You can see this is the gearbox assembly for original UTA actuators. And it is applied on the diesel vehicle low version.
Okay, I heard you said this repair kit is for original UTA actuators. So I wonder what is the difference between the original actuator and the Sacer UTA actuators?
Well, actually our actuators are totally brand new. Here we got the Sacer version UTA actuators, and this one is the original one actuators. Now I will show you the difference of them. You can see that they are totally different from the sensor. And we also made some improvements on the keyboard with different programs. And during the development stage, we have passed 7 special experiments to test their qualities. Please check those tests we have passed.
Wow, Sacer UTA actuators has passed so many tests. So it is available now to purchase them.
Yes, of course. Those actuators you see on the first round is ready to produce if you once you contact us. And for the new actuators, if you have other needs, you can offer us the complete part number. And also, if you could offer us the good sample, then we will make it for you.
Alright, if you have any other questions about our UTA actuators, please don't hesitate to contact us and we will reach you within 24 hours.
Okay, that's all we would like to share with you today. Please stay tuned for our next video.
See you next time.
Bye.